general properties of gas can be remembered by memorizing the sentence. She can virtual run. S stands for shape, C stands for compressibility, V stands for volume, and R stands for relative density. The kinetic molecular theory of gases for an ideal gas can be memorized by remembering the word V, leak. V stands for volume, L stands for large, I stands for intermolecular, C stands for collision, and K stands for kinetic energy. There are three main graphs that you have to remember in this chapter. The first one is Boyle's law. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Secondly is Charles' law. Volume is directly proportional to temperature in the unit Kelvin. The third and last one is Avogadro's law, which is volume is directly proportional to number of moles. Here I've compiled and made an easy way to remember the equations required in this subtopic, which is 5.1 gas law. So you can see the first one is Boyle's, which is pressure times volume. Charles is volume over temperature in the unit Kelvin, and Avogadro's law is volume over the number of moles.
Dalton's law. What is Dalton's law? Total pressure of non-reacting gases is the sum of partial pressure exerted by each of the gas mixture at constant temperature and volume. How do we remember that? Easy. Tatapannya paling gerun coy kat TV. Conditions and characteristics of ideal and non-ideal gas. Ideal gas, low pressure. For non-ideal gas, the characteristic is high pressure. So, we can remember at least one and we can relate with the others. For non-ideal gas, it's easy to remember. We take no HP, no handphone. Non-ideal gas, high pressure. For both the temperatures, it's vice versa. For ideal gas, if low pressure, high temperature. If non-ideal gas, high pressure, low temperature.
Division of ideal behavior. So we just remember S from real gas only. So we take the S from gas. So we know that S is stand for pressure. When the pressure increases, the temperature decreases. So real gas no longer obey Boyle's law, Charles' law, and ideal gas equation. Alright guys. Welcome to Van der Waals equation fit Vanessa and Pradeep. So Pradeep suka nasi ayam Vanessa because it's a very bad. So P from Pradeep, it stands for P. Suka plus nasi, N from nasi equals to N power of 2. Ayam, A from ayam stands for small letter A. And V from Vanessa stands for V power of 2. V from very, it stands for capital letter V. B stands for small letter b, N stands for small letter n, equals to nRT. Alright. Value A indicates intermolecular forces, value V indicates definite molecular volume. So we have a few keywords that we must remember, which is really C, ethane, and chicken. So really reduce speed of the gas particles, C moves slower, ethane less impact, chicken less collision. So we have for the value V, Sri Vida lari bila nampak V. Sri occupies certain amount of space. Vida the actual volume is. Lari less than volume container. Bila nampak V, volume real gas is greater than volume ideal at high pressure.